Pigs make me sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want... yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Ew! Are you okay?
I don't know.
Achoo!
He should cover his trunk.
I cannot stop achoo!
Sneezing. Oh no. Oh no.
What if
pigs make me sneeze?
huh? Achoo!
What if you try to sneeze more softly?
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry.
Oops. Choo. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Huh? Then we cannot be friends.
Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. I
put on a hat.
Choo.
Goodbye, Gerald. Huh? Huh? Sad. Gerald sad. Left his friend. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend.
Achoo! Oh, no.
Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Oh.
He's got a thermometer there. Dr. Cat. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. I'm sick.
Biggie, great news, Biggie. I have a cold. Good for you. Good for you. Pass the tissues. So you should cover your mouth when you sneeze. Somebody wrote on this book. That's not a good thing to do, is it? Gerald had a cold.